Alright, peeps, let's get this done. Complementary in DNA means that a segment of DNA is being a suck-up to the boss. How could you distinguish a purine from a pyrimidine? The spelling? What is false regarding chance deviation? Tossing a coin 100 times usually results in exactly 50 heads up and exactly 50 tails. A molecule containing a base, a sugar, and 3 phosphate groups is called extroverted. A baby is affected with a dominant trait. What do you know about the 2 parents? The father was definitely an F-boy football player in high school and probably college, but he never got to go pro. And, I don't know, the mom was probably like a cheerleader or something. Which was an important clue used by Watson and Crick as they developed the model of DNA structure. Rosalind Franklin's notebook. When studying a single trait, which clue would indicate that the trait is controlled by 2 genes? Joint custody. Lethal alleles are most commonly observed in dead people. How is a chi-square value interpreted? By looking at the arrangement of the tea leaves in the bottom of the cup. When DNA is heated, the person gets warm. The term chromatin refers to that alien race from Ben 10 that apparently is like an upgraded form of Diamond Head and is like loosely connected somehow but not directly, and like they're like the second most powerful aliens in the galaxy right behind like Alien X. But then again, I haven't watched the show in like 6 years, so my details might be fuzzy. In DNA, the sugar is from Jolt Cola. All the sugar, twice the caffeine. Sister chromatids have James Charles's new Morphe palette. Which term describes a single phenotype or trait controlled by 2 genes? No. Oh, this one's joint custody, which means the other one was when saying a single trait, which clue would indicate that the trait is controlled by 2 genes? Oh, it's seeing dad only every other weekend. Got it. The site or location of a gene on a chromosome is called the ADDY. How does ZZZW system differ from the XXXY system? The letters. Homologous chromosomes separate from each other when... Okay. Oh! One of them is a failing actress in Ohio who is jealous of their more successful author counterpart, and that leads that counterpart to cheat on the failing actress, resulting in heartbreak on both sides and ultimately them leaving each other. Some genes are recognized to influence multiple different phenotypes. This is referred to as the art of elocution. In incomplete dominance, a heterozygous individual got above 80% switch on their beating his own test. The null hypothesis states that life is without meaning, purpose, or intrinsic value, and that human species is ultimately insignificant. Got it. Independent assortment occurs because Chandler keeps taking other people's items in the fridge, so now we have clear tape to show whose section is whose. You perform a test cross and all progeny have the dominant phenotype. This suggests you either did something very right or very wrong. The H substance should only be swallowed if the other person is actually important to you. When 2 genes have an epistatic interaction, they're besties, duh. Most calico cats are female because sexism. An individual with Turner syndrome typically has few to no friends. A bar body is often thrown over bridges into rivers to erase evidence of the murder. Dosage compensation is the technical term for the events seen in the song Who's Crazy / My Psychopharmacologist and I. My toes grow by mitosis. Oh my god, dumb easy.